What's up, guys? Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Monday. Hope you're having a marvelous day out there today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, we're back. It's Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. We're back here. We're going to keep doing what we've been doing and check this thing out, guys. If you have not checked out my projects to see what I got going on, make sure you go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to send out our email this morning, and then we're going to cover HBA just a little bit as well. So before we do that, let's get into the FTC disclaimer. All right, we cannot make any guarantees of income or promises of what you're going to make. So FTC disclaimer, average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earnings disclosure, visit income.thehba.net. It takes skill, work, and commitment to get the results. All right, so that's why we have to specify that, guys. But please don't look at that and think, oh, I can't make but $346. Look, this program has been around for 10 years. There are documented 6- and 7-figure earners in this program. So it's all about your efforts. You have to put the work in. Doesn't matter what business you join. Doesn't matter. You must know how to market to get the results and be consistent. All right? So I don't want that to scare you off and say, well, I can't make but $346, because most companies not even going to talk about a disclaimer. They're just going to tell you, show you what people are making or whatever. All right, so it's all on you, okay? The sky is the limit. All right, let's move right along. Let's go into this here. All right, Monday. We're in our Let's Go, the Home Business Academy system here. And I love how these quotes pop up for you. So these quotes are actually already in the system, but you can add your own as well. And that's what I do to mix them up. And then the system just rotates yours and what's already in here. And or guess what? You don't even have to use the ones they have in there. You can go in and set under the settings and just use yours if you like. Okay, so anyway, this is what pops up today. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. I like that. That is true. You can sit and procrastinate day after day looking and watching, but until you take action on anything, nothing is going to happen. So that's how you get ahead. And it's not too late to get started. The author of this is Mark Twain. All right, now let's get in here. Let's get in here so we can send our email out today. Now, the Home Business Academy is the company that I'm promoting in these emails. I'm sending the emails out and I'm sending the sales page to those leads. Okay, so inside the Home Business Academy is this wonderful tool, okay, AI tool that they have in the premium membership called Prompt Write AI. This is not a product that you will buy online. You won't be able to go out there and say, well, I'm going to buy Prompt Write AI and not even join the Home Business Academy. You won't, because they created it. This is their proprietary product. Okay, the Home Business Academy owns this one. Now, there's other ones out there that you probably can get into for X amount per month. But probably nothing like this one, because it was created by the owners of Home Business Academy. So anyway, I'm using this to create my different emails. I've got tons and tons and tons. So anybody that gets started with me, whether it's in My Lead Gen Secret or it's in the Home Business Academy or any of my other programs, I'll be happy to send you emails. I've got emails, ads, all types. I mean, I've been just using these tools in here, and they're really great. So anyway, I've got my email set up for today. I'm going to use, again, I created it in the Prompt Write AI tool in the Home Business Academy. All right. And This is the one I'm probably going to use, but we're over here. We're sending out emails from this platform called My Lead Gen Secret, right? They've been around since what, 2019? I think I looked it up, and they've been going. All right. So with this, let's go here because I want to show you and tell you. Let's go. This is my link there. This system here is $30 a month, and they're going to send you 100 business opportunity leads. They're going to put them in your dashboard, which is where I was in my dashboard. These are people that have actually raised their hand. They're online, and they've said, hey, I'm looking for a business opportunity on how to make money from home. This is the make money online niche that we're talking about, affiliate marketing. So this system sends you 100 leads, provides you 100 leads a day. Okay, all you have to do is log in and send an email out to these folks. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Again, they've been around since 2019-ish. There we go. 100 every day like clockwork. So that gives you 3,000 leads every month, guys. Think about that. 3,000 leads of people that have actually raised their hand. All right, so they're just looking for the right opportunity. And it could be with you, but 3,000 every month, that's a lot of leads. All right, and you don't have to have an autoresponder. Everything is already built in here. Just send your email out. And once you refer one person, the company doubles your leads. Then it goes to 200 leads a day. So that will be 6,000 leads you have access to every month. All right. And these are real leads because I'm going to show you where folks have been clicking and opening my emails. That's only $1 a day. Okay. For you to run your business. You've got to invest in you. You got to invest in your business. I don't care what type of business you had, even if it was a brick and mortar, right? You still have to invest in it. This is a part of that. Advertising, you know, is a part of being an online business affiliate owner. Okay, so $30 a month is $30 one-time setup fee. So to get started today would only cost you $60. You won't have to pay that setup fee again, even if you stop using it down the road, right? You won't have to pay that again. You would just come back in and pay $30 and you get started all over again. Okay, but $60 and you get your 100 leads today, and you can start emailing to those folks. All right, so now what I want to show you also, these are real leads. So hang on, look. I'm going to show you, I received 200 leads today. As long as you got one person in your downline, you get 200 leads. Okay, now I'm going to cover this up, but I want to show you these are real people. Hold on. All right, so there's the different dates that they've given us. Time stamped them, first name, last name, email address. You get the IP address, city and state, US, and the different lead partners. You can't see it here. The different lead partners that they get these leads from. So we actually do have the email address, okay, of these folks. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so let's go take a look here and let's get this email out. So we sent one out on the 27th. All right, I didn't send one out yesterday. So this is what I sent out last, and you can see 573 folks opened this, guys. These are real emails. And this one didn't do too bad. You know, between what, 15 and 25%, I think they say, is pretty decent for open rate. 98 of those actually clicked it. But again, we're here for the traffic and the exposure. The more exposure you get to your opportunity, right? So let's go ahead and send our email out. Again, we're going to use my emails over in Home Business Academy, right? Prompt Write AI. So I'm going to use this one today. Copy, We'll come back over here. All we're doing is copying and pasting. Oh, and we said we were going to try this week. Why not? Let's click them all and let's see what happens. That's 124,600. Okay, that I've got in here. Because remember, I was in this thing for about 2 years, so I was able to get all those leads for 2 years. All right. And we're going to use this because we're going to address them by the first name. Because remember, we already have the lead, so I don't need to send them to a capture page or anything. We already have their first name, right? Oh, let's not cap that. All right. I'm going to make this, what did I do, 20, 22 maybe? Okay, or 20, 20. Okay. And then we're just going to paste from here. Copy, paste. I'm going to copy this down. Whoa. Let's see. It's this one. Okay. I got my emails in there. Like I said, I'll be happy to send you guys, if you get started with me. I've got tons and tons of these emails. All right, that we can, because I'm always creating new ones. Okay. All right, I'm going to do this. It doesn't like emojis. Okay, here's the info you want, and we're gonna send them to our. We'll put my name in there so they know I'm real, right? And I'm going to hang on. Let me get my link from over here. All right, you go to affiliate. And you get your link. It's making me do this again. Hold on, get my link, go into my business, my links. And I'm using this all in one. Okay. And I'm going to send them here. Copy and paste, guys. Copy and paste. That's all I'm doing. Alright, back here. That's my link right there. Alright, we can make that whatever. We can make that like a, let's put a green on it. Click here. Here is the info. I'm going to say, hold on, let's see. Let's take this out. Whoa, hold on. Hold on. 1 second here. Alright. I'm going to take this off of here and make it like a light green. Click here. It's going to be clickable. Alright, and okay. Okay, and I'm going to put my picture in here too. Hang on. For the sake of the video, I paused it. We put my picture in there to see I'm a real person. Boom, boom, boom. We got our subject. Okay, and we can preview this thing. Alright. Still, we're going to preview it. You can see it's clickable. See that line comes up under there? All they're going to do is click that. We are good. All right, we're going to click perfect timing and we're going to send it. Boom. That's how simple this system is, okay? Again, you're getting 100 leads a day that you can email to. And obviously, it's telling me you get to do this once a day, so you can come back in 22 hours, all right? Just click statistics, and it's in queue, ready to go. Now, today is the first day, as you can see, we're sending out some of the old ones, too. And we'll see what happens there. But, hey, what do we have to lose, right? Because if these folks are still using these emails, I know I still have my same emails I've had for years and years and years, you know, Gmails. Hey, the more exposure we get. So anyway, we're going to send them out to 124,600. Let's see what kind of responses we get. All right, that's it. That's all. Just wanted you to check this thing out. The link is in the description for My Lead Gen Secret. And you get links, guys, that you can promote with this thing. Click on affiliates, and we get all these links that we can use, right? We'll go to this one. And you can get your system. I like this one. You can get your system today for only $60. Again, I'll be happy to send you an email with emails that you can use, okay? If you don't decide to choose right here, they give you right here, master email swipes. You're going to see that's an option that you can purchase those from the company. But if you don't have the other $30 to do that, just reach out and I will email you. Again, I've got tons and tons of emails. I create them on the fly. All right, so you can get your system today, My Lead Gen Secret, for $60. Right here, $30 one-time setup, $30 a month. You got 100 leads that you can send to today, guys. All right, and then over here, my Home Business Academy system here, guys. You can get this. You can start for $25. You can get in today to get your done for you, your all-in-one system for $25, and you're in. Okay, you can scale this thing up, but you can get started today. There you have it. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me on your way out, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.